Stock 84 XO can be used as a part of a classic long drink, which serves great as an aperitif, the horse's collar. It's simple as it can be. We just fill our highball glass with ice. We pour 40 ml of Stock XO in it, followed by 20 ml of freshly squeezed lemon. After which we top it off with ginger ale. Not necessary, but it's good to enhance the aroma with 2 drops of Angostura Bitters. And then we'll give it a stir. We'll garnish it with a long lemon spiral that goes around the glass and resembles a collar. There we go. Super simple, elegant, and very refreshing. Cheers.